Autumn here at Stockyard Lane, and today I'm going to attempt garlic. I have watched countless YouTube videos and read as much information as I can, and I've been slowly prepping the gardens over the last week. Today we're going to finish that off and we're going to get some garlic in the ground, hopefully. I've bought a couple of packets of garlic, so we've got Festival. Not sure what this one. It just says garlic. It doesn't have a name. It's just garlic. So who knows? And this one also appears to be garlic. So fingers crossed. We were lucky enough. One of our neighbours grew some elephant garlic this year, and she's given me a couple of bulbs to try. And then one of our other amazing neighbours gave us a bulb, a string of bulbs to use over the year, and we're slowly going through those, and they're beautiful garlic. So I've actually sacrificed one of the bulbs to plant as well, because obviously it grows well around here. And then the last one that we're going to do is this little one here. Now this is going to be interesting. We arrived here just under a year ago at Stockyard Lane, and this one just popped up in the middle of the native part of the garden. No idea how it came to be there. It just grew. So I'm going to give that one a go and see how it goes. They're very small bulbs, and obviously I haven't tried it, so it could be a terrible garlic, but we'll see how we go. But I just thought I'd show you how I have learnt to prep the garlic before we put it in the ground. What we're going to do is we're going to start with this one here. There's two bulbs in this. This is from Bunnings. So I'm going to show you how to prep them, or how I'm going to prep them. And this particular one came from Bunnings, $10 for two bulbs, and they're actually decent sized bulbs, so I'm rather impressed. Nice size. Everything I've read says just to break them apart, you pick up the best bulb, like the biggest bulbs in the bunch, and you leave the outer paper on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the sort of stringier stuff off the outside that sort of protects the bulb, I suppose, and then I'm going to pop them in there. I'm not going to do them in lines of any particular style or anything. I'm just going to randomly plant them. I'm not sure if that's the right way to do it. Feel free to tell me I'm doing it wrong in the comments if you want to. But yeah, so yesterday I was in at Salt Organics, which is the local organic shop in Orbost, and they had these garlics that had already sprouted, so I thought I'd give them a go as well. After a little bit of research, because we're still in later autumn, these are okay just to plant as is. If you do happen to get a garlic that has these and you want to use the bulbs, you just got to break that and take that piece out through the centre, because it won't taste as good in cooking. It sort of adds a bit of a bitter taste to it. The other thing I was going to say is we, as a family, probably easily go through 1 to 2 bulbs of garlic a week. I love garlic. I love its flavour. So my goal this year is to try and plant at least 52 bulbs, if not up to 100 if I can. Try and be self-sufficient in at least one thing, I suppose. And yeah, that was it. I guess it's just a case now of watch the space and watching them grow. We'll show you a bit later today how I put them into the ground, and that's all I need to say really.
I'm going to plant them at this stage just along this little divot that I've dug out here in the garden that I prepped over the last couple of days. Later today we will get the video camera out and plant all of our garlic. The idea is you plant them with this end down, pointy end up. So 4 fingers apart, roughly. I'm going to have to come back and weed this one regularly. Garlic don't like competition in the garden, and this garden has got a lot of pre-established weeds in it. So I'm going to have to come down and check it out every couple of days and just pull the weeds out as they appear there we go, to stop them from establishing and give the garlic some space to grow.